Ella, my love, please, for the third time I ask you, marry me.
No, I will not.
Ella, why? My love, why are you doing this to me?
I'm not ready. Besides, I cannot end up marrying a tricycle rider. Please, I can't marry you.
Yes, I'll marry you. Just put the ring. I'll marry you.
What is going on here? Lillian!
You said you're not ready, right? I am ready. Just put the ring. Put the ring. I'll marry you.
Are you serious?
Yes, just put the ring, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I will marry you. Yes. Oh my God.
No.
Yes.
You cannot do this to me.
Are you serious about this?
Yes. I've always loved you. I like you. You're the man of my dreams. She said she can't marry a keke rider. I, Lillian here, I will marry you. I will take care of you. I will support you. I love you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No.
What is it?
Lillian, I don't even understand what is going on here. Lillian,
what don't you
this is not our initial plan. We never planned so that you do this. No.
My goodness, Khing! Is this you? Wow! Look at how good you're looking.
I'm looking nice.
You're looking extremely gorgeous.
Thank you.
Tell me, is there any, you won a lottery or something?
No. I came to show you something. Yes.
Oh my God! Yes!
It's not for you, it's for Ella, your friend.
Oh, Ella.
Do you think she will like it?
Of course, she will.
I want to propose to her again. You know, this is the third time. The first time, I didn't use a ring. The second time, she said the ring was too cheap and I wasn't well dressed. So this time, I want it to be perfect.
No wonder you're looking
That's
this
why
good.
I spent so much money on everything. Look at this ring, it's very expensive.
It's very fine.
Do you think she'll like it?
She will love it. Why not?
I want you to help me talk to her.
Why not? I will. Okay?
You know, this is the third time that I'm proposing. And I want it to be perfect this time. I don't want her to have any reason to say no.
Don't worry, okay? I will talk sense into her.
Please do.
I will. Trust me. I will. By the way, I don't even know what she's saying, Ella, but it's fine. I will talk sense to her, okay?
You don't know what I say in her. She's perfect.
Oh, really?
She is. I love her so much.
It's alright. I promise you she will accept the ring.
Alright, so I'll be coming over to her place this evening.
Okay.
I hope you'll be there.
I'll always be there with her.
I want you to witness. Because I have a good feeling it's going to be a yes this time around.
Okay.
I'll see you in the evening.
Okay, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Babes, you cannot accept that ring. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
But why?
Ella, am I not your friend again? Do you think that me, Lillian, will deceive you? Ella.
But babe, this is making it the third time. You know, this guy has put a lot of effort in this relationship. And I'm feeling so bad about it. This is making it the third time.
What stupid effort are you talking about? What stupid effort are you talking about, Ella? Can't you open your eyes? Can't you be wise for once? So tell me, you want to end up your life, your whole lifetime with a keke rider? Like, makes sense to me, please.
No.
You're my friend though. That's why I'm trying to help you. See, marriage is for better for worse. Hope you're aware of that. I wouldn't want you to make that mistake of accepting the wrong person. Accepting someone that when you finally end up with the person, you will suffer till eternity. Please, I don't want that for you. Okay?
Lillian, I know, but you know why I rejected the first and second one that he proposed? It's because he doesn't have money and he's a keke rider. But now, I have seen a lot of improvement in him. He's trying now. Can't you see his way of dressing now? Everything about him have changed.
Shut up, Ella. I'm sorry to be rude to you, but please, you're my friend. I'm warning you for the last time. Never you accept that proposal. Never you accept that proposal.
Hey, Lillian, I don't know. Am I making mistake now? Lillian, you betrayed me! You're a betrayer!
Come off it! Come off it! Wait, are you a kid? Are you a small child? Or are you a wheelbarrow that I can push around? No, I'm asking you. You've been dating this man for 3 good years. Each time he proposed to you, you turned him down. This is the third time you turned him down, for crying out loud. Wait, let me ask you. Don't you know that men are scarce? No, you look at a full-grown man, a cute man for that matter, and you have the right, you have the mind to say no to him. In fact, you're dumb. You're dreaming. Keep dreaming. My love, please, can we just go out of here?
Your love?
Yes, I've always loved him, don't you know? And you don't know the value of what you have till you lose it.
Is this a dream?
Really?
Are you being serious about
I love
this?
you so much. I love you.
Let's go.
I promise you're going to regret this. You will regret this.
You didn't appreciate what you had, okay? And now someone else has shown interest.
Yes, I love you, baby. I love a keke rider.
Honey, please. Don't go, please. You can put the ring now. I'm ready now.
Too late.
You're ready.
Yes. I mean it.
You are ready now.
Yes,
But
I'm ready.
just now you told me you're not ready. So what's the difference between then and now?
Please.
Because your friend accepted.
Please.
That's, you don't know the value of what you had until you lost it. You lost it. I'm not giving you a second chance.
Please, you cannot do this. No, this cannot be happening to me. This cannot be happening to me. How can my own best friend do this to me? Yeah, you deceived me. You deceived me.
My love, what is it?
Please calm down.
Why are you packed along?
Calm down. Get down.
Are you talking to me?
Get down.
Baby, what is it?
Why are you calling baby?
You're my
What was all that? What just happened?
What happened is that I love you. I love you.
See, like, I don't understand you. I've known for some time now that you had eyes for me. But why would you do a thing like this to your friend? You are a wicked person.
I'm not wicked. I love you. She failed to see the value in you. So
what did you tell her? Because I came to you and asked you to talk to your friend, and she right there in front of you made it clear that you told her something else. So instead of you to talk to your friend to encourage her to accept my proposal, you actually said nonsense behind my back to her. I'm sure you must have told her some very nasty things for her to have said no to me in spite of the effort I put in this time, buying a ring, getting well dressed, making sure that everything will be perfect. You are not a good friend. How do you expect?
Sorry.
Stop this. Stop it.
You've already proposed to me and I've said
Come on,
yes.
give me my ring. What do you mean by that? Give me.
Why are you doing this to me?
It didn't come from the heart. I was playing along with the situation to see exactly what you were up to.
So what would be my fate now?
What business of mine is that? As a matter of fact, I don't want to ever see you near Ella again. You are not the kind of friend she needs. Stay far from her. Stay far from me. Do you understand that?
Please, King, don't do this to me.
I said what I said.
Please. Where will I go from here? What do you want me to do? Hey, I'm sorry. Oh my God, what have I done? Look at me, I've lost everything. I've lost.
You are surprised to see me.
Yes. You came back?
Of course I came back. You didn't think that I was going to end our relationship just like that.
I thought you chose her over me.
Come on. Ella, I've never been kidding when I say I love you. I love you with all my heart. And I can't just all of a sudden choose your friend over you. I just went along with what was happening because I wanted to see the kind of person that she was, and I also wanted to see how you would handle the situation. I went to her and asked her to talk to you. I was surprised when I came here and she jumped in front and said I should propose to her. I've been watching her for some time and I understood that she already had eyes for me, but I didn't expect her to do what she did to you, and I wanted you to see the kind of friend that she is. My love, listen. If you are not ready for the marriage, it's fine. I can still wait a little. At least that gives me time to still work and make money. But truly, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. At the end of the day, that is all that matters. Me and you together.
I am ready now.
Are you just saying that because of what happened?
No, I mean it. I am ready. She deceived me.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm ready.
Will you marry me, Ella?
Yes, I'll marry you. Yes.
I love you.
I love you too. I love you too.
Let's go somewhere and celebrate.
Okay,
Come into my limousine.
I'll wait.
Here we go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.